We've been stuck in traffic since 7, and what time is it now, Ma?
9:45.
Wow. So I posted a picture of me and Zaya and Caleb in a boat, and Mama just told me that on Facebook people said such rude things about Zaya just because she isn't, you know, completely white.
The XC Allah, I don't know what he says. Da sumra badranga da.
That means how ugly is she?
Yeah, and then another one. Then I say,
and she isn't ugly. She's so
beautiful.
Just because she isn't fair, this is the only reason why you get Pukhtuns saying that.
Tasweer ye badrang de. Then when I say something, when I say astaghfirullah, insan Allah jod kare de, and then he say, oh, tasweer ye badrang de, like whatever. And then another one say Sheikh Khan Majidi or something. MashaAllah, with a lot of makeup, also badranga. MashaAllah, with a lot of
like
makeup.
These people
also.
are Muslims. It's Ramadan, and they're saying this kind of stuff.
Says ghost, and I say astaghfirullah. I say,
wow, these people should be ashamed of themselves. It's Ramadan, they're fasting, and they're too busy looking at females and taking the piss out of what people look like. It's just a shame because of the skin tone that they would say this much stuff. And I know it's because of the skin tone, because I've been through it myself. Ma, what do you think about the white and the fair and
I
the
think, you know,
dark
I don't
complexion?
care about white, or I don't care about brown or black. I just, you know, I just know one thing, that Allah made us.
Yeah. And
we are Allah creation. And how come you can say about the creator that he did something wrong? This is like, you know, I don't know how to explain, but they just say something about Allah, innit?
Yeah, they did, basically,
Allah
because
Allah this person
made them.
Badranga mean like ugly.
Yeah,
that's it.
That's what they've done.
Oh my God!
And they're Muslims as well.
They're Muslim, and they Pushtun, they Khan.
They're just a disgrace.
I really don't understand.
What a disgrace.
They're just rude.
So rude and backwards, and even in their own race, if there's somebody like, if there's a Pushtun that's a little bit, you know, darker than the, let's say, the white Pushtuns, they're so rude to them, right, Ma?
They are rude.
Should be ashamed of yourselves, guys. It's iftar time soon, and we're still stuck in traffic, but at least I've come prepared, eh? It is now 10 p.m. and guess where we is, guys?
We didn't even break our roza.
Yeah, we didn't even break our fast. It's just this, I don't know what it is. We're just stuck for ages, and there's like police and ambulance, and we've been stuck since 7 p.m. It is now 23 minutes past 10, and we have finally moved. Oh goodness. What I'm attempting is Mama's Peshawari kebabs. This is what you would need to make the kebabs. 1 kilo mutton mince, 3 onions, 6 tomatoes, 1 bunch coriander, 3 garlic cloves, 10 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of pomegranate powder. Now I'm going to blend this. 3 tablespoons of whole coriander. I'm going to blend this as well. 2 tablespoons of garam masala. 2 tablespoons of Chapli kebab mix. And about 500 grams or 1.5 to 2 cups of plain flour. So this is what you need, y'all. I'll write it down. Oh, and what I've done is I put the 4 eggs in this already. Yeah, okay. So I don't have the powder of the pomegranate, so because I couldn't find it anywhere. I'm going to put this in the blender with the whole coriander, and I'm just going to add it to the mincemeat. I've combined everything, minced the onions and the garlic and the chili and the coriander. That's what I've minced. The rest I've chopped or I've just added in. You guys know that I've already blended the pomegranate seeds and the whole coriander. I've put in the garam masala, the plain flour. I've put in everything, and now I'm just gonna mix it up, basically. Okay, I've combined everything, and now I'm just gonna let it set aside for about half an hour, and then I'll deep fry it. So I've wet both my hands. You make it into the shape of your hand. That's how my mother has taught me anyway. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just place it in the deep fryer. This one, I'm fasting, but this one I'm showing you guys because I'm making one for Caleb right now. So yeah, this is how you do it. Okay, hi everybody. So I really want to show you guys how I make the kebab. I keep a bowl next to me, wet my hands at both sides. Yeah, Caleb, give me a sec. This is the mix, right? So you get I get about this much of the mix, like basically this is a handful, okay? And then you put it in your hand like this, and then you basically like you make it into the shape of your hand. And I don't want the mix to get messed up, so what I'm gonna do is freeze. I'm only gonna make a few for when we break our fast, but I'm gonna freeze the rest. So that's why what I'm doing now is I'm making the patties and I'm putting them on foil to put in the freezer. So let me show you how I do this. So it's on my hand right now. Put these on the foil already, and then I get this, and then what I'll do is I'll just put it like this basically. I put it too close to the other one, but it's fine. See, you could just shape it through. It's okay if you kind of mess up the shape, because then when it's on the foil, you could just shape it through, making them quite oval. And that's it. Okay guys, so now I'm just deep frying this on medium heat until brown. And this is the kebab done. Now I'm feeding it to Caleb because, like I said, I'm fasting, so I'll just watch him enjoy it. And anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. He loves it. Is it yummy? Yeah. He's eating his food. Love you, baby. Look what came in the post for me, finally. So this is the first time I'm seeing this. That's so cool. I love it. It's basically a huge thank you to you guys from myself and Deluxe Balloons Co. I've basically handpicked the colors, the design, what goes inside. It's a really nice gesture for people on social media who want to thank their followers. It's a really nice idea to give to loved ones as a gift. I'm really impressed with this because it's completely afloat, even though I ordered it. It was delivered to me about 3 to 4 days ago, and I just picked it up from the post office today, which is a Sunday, and it's completely still floating. It isn't even deflated even a little bit. It's great. It's completely fine. For Eid, if you want to get it delivered to any loved ones, friends, family, anyone, friends, family, and when they open the box, this balloon will just come up. Thank you so much, Deluxe Balloons, for sending this to me. I love it, and thank you guys too. We're out doing Eid shopping, me, Zaya, and Caleb. Basically, Caleb doesn't have any clothes, and I need some clothes for the second day. Mama's made me a suit for, day one of Eid. But the second day, me and Zaya want to wear English clothes, right, Zaya?
No.
You don't want to wear English clothes second day?
I do, but I just don't want to say it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I want to wear English clothes second day. So we're out in the town trying to find something. Say such a clean freak. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Caleb found Buzz and the Toy Story crew. Okay, let's go, Kay. Oh, hi, Mama. No. Eid Mubarak, everyone. It has been declared that Ramadan Eid is tomorrow. Yes. Oh, diamond. Diamond. 100 for this beautiful little girl. Can I get you in? Hi. You ready for Eid? Yes. So cute, mashallah. Caleb's playing with his little friend. Oh. So let me get a bit closer. Hi. So we're waiting for iftar right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mama looks dead. People are still coming to get their henna done. This after iftar, we've just officially broken our fast. I'm so upset. I don't know why I'm smiling, but I'm really upset that Ramadan's finished, because I feel like this one, most of them are amazing, but this one, I feel like I spiritually changed.
But I'm happy.
She's a getaway. She's happy Ramadan's over, but I'm very, very upset. I could do another month of this. Mama just did my henna and I love it.
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है.
Mama's still going very strong. Well done, Mama, it's beautiful. Mama's still making me a abaya, and it's so late. And I told her I needed a abaya for Eid's prayer, and she's making it so quickly. I love you, Mama! I love you, bye. It's 3:30 right now, and me and Mama are going home from Fajr in the masjid. So yes, very nice. It might be the final night of Ramadan, guys. Very upset.
Inshallah.
Well, if it is, Eid Mubarak! Sahur with Layana! Zaya? Praise Heidi. Eid Mubarak, everyone! Me and Caleb are currently going to Eid Salah. I'm just late to everything. Yeah, okay, well, Eid Mubarak. I hope you guys have an amazing day whenever you're watching this video. It's Eid. My little pumpkin, say Eid Mubarak. When we pray Salah, then we say Eid Mubarak, yeah? I love you. It was so busy that we've missed Eid Salah in the mosque that we're going to, but I'm just going to the next one now. I don't know why I didn't go to the one by my house in the first place. So we're going to, this is the one by my house now. Bouncy castle as well, Caleb. Let's quickly go, okay? I love you. Let's go. Caleb, we've made it to Eid Salah. Amazing. Come on, quickly. Let's go. Let's go. Look who I didn't find. She came to my house and said, you ain't find me nowhere. Oh, we found this Ramadan like the most spiritual.
Do you know what?
Right?
I've never ever done so much in Ramadan.
And usually at this point, I feel like we're slapped on with makeup.
Yeah, I know.
And looking like hoochie mamas.
And now look at us. Speak for yourself.
Okay. But now look at us.
Muslimified.
But I hope you guys have an amazing Eid anyway.
Eid
We're going to
Mubarak.
stuff your faces. Get fat. All right.
Bye.
Yeah. Caleb just opened one gift and now this. Caleb's Eid gift. Do you like it, Caleb? Yeah. Love you. Now we're going to Mama's house because Mama's been cooking since 6 a.m. and I really wanted to show you guys the abaya she made me. How beautiful is it? Like, she made it so quickly as well, and it's like one sleeve is like design, then the sleeve is no design. But yeah, I love this. I love you, Mama. Thank you. I don't even know if I should wear my Eid clothes because I'm so comfy in this, but gonna see Maya now. Just touched on in Mama's house.
Come here.
Eid Mubarak, Maya. I have your thing. It's Maya's. Hi, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, look at your dress. It's just Mama made similar dress to mine as you wear. Hi, Maya. Wow. Spin around for me. Whoa. That's so cute. Great. Mama's made food. This is, we say in Porto, MINCE, which is vermicelli, I think. Watermelon. Mama's made rice. What's this now?
That is what you call keema.
Keema? Alrighty then. What is that now? If you cry.
Chicken.
Chicken?
Not fried chicken.
It's not fried chicken.
Yeah.
What did we call?
We got cayenne chicken there.
We got that capsicum chicken.
And we got some, what you call that?
What you call that?
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas. And we got the greens.
Yeah,
okay?
greens,
All
but
right.
you know, we don't touch it here.
No, we don't. And we got the chutney. Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's your nostril.
My friend Saima sends me an Eid card every time before Eid, and how cute. These are her two kids. She's a photographer, by the way. Photography by Saima, if you guys want to check her out. But she does some amazing photography. And these are her two kids. And she gets little props. Is a different theme every year. And she makes it into basically a card. Rolling in Eid like... Pink really suits you, Caleb. Guys, it's Eid day 2. So I decided to wear the Eid clothes Mama made me and do my hair and makeup. This is what Mama made me. I just love it. It's a skirt and it's like a loose top. Loose fitted top, and look at the sleeves. I just love it. She basically made the whole thing for me and I freaking love it. I'm currently en route to Sid and Dina's because they're doing a barbecue today, no May. And yeah, I'm just lost. Yeah, I've been lost for about half an hour. Hopefully the sat-nav is confused as I am. So, oh well. Look at this BBQ, bro.
Everybody start, bro. Start eating.
Look at them. Did you make the beef thing yourself?
Oh, I need to get
it.
Huh?
Obviously.
You did?
Obviously.
You're lying.
Obviously I did.
You bullshit. Did you really?
Yeah, obviously.
They look ready made.
No, no.
Chef DDA over here.
Numbers.
At pool with the homies. We're finally home. It's been quite a long day. Barbecue was really nice. I usually don't like barbecues and this was very nice. This is Caleb's top, which is why I just had to throw it on because I'm going to bed and I'm putting my PJs on. It's very tiring because I'm still on Ramadan time. I'm still like staying awake till like 3 and then I go to sleep really late, and then Caleb wakes up at 7 AM every single day. Whatever time he sleeps, this kid wakes up 7 AM every single day. I'm going to take these lashes off. Oh, best feeling in existence. This is the no lash look, okay? There's like 3 bumps connected. Basically, a spider bit me on my face 3 times. The bitch bit me 3 times, okay? 1 wasn't enough. And I woke up and this eye wouldn't really open much. And I was just like, just really feeling it. And I used, just sometimes when you don't have any wipes with you, so you use your baby wipes. But this time my skin is ultra sensitive and I used Caleb's baby fragranced wipes. Now look at my chin, it's like bumpy. I've had an allergic reaction because of the baby wipes. So my skin is effed today. Like the makeup won't even stick on it. And I haven't worn much makeup throughout the whole of Ramadan. So I was thinking, yeah, I'm going to wear it today. And my skin is effed. Typical. I'll see you guys next time. Alright. Bye guys.